Start working on problem number 9. Right here, the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 4 and 48 respectively. If one of these numbers is 12, then the other number is. So we need to find the other number. So you just recall the formula. See, the HCF into LCM is equal to the product of two numbers, right. So let the two numbers, let us consider it is x and y, right, which is nothing but HCF into LCM is equal to x into y, right. One number they have given, that is 12, right. HCF also they have given, LCM also they have given. Only thing we need to find y, that is the other number. So let me substitute here. So HCF is 4 into LCM is 48, and one number they have given, that is 12 into y. So therefore the other number, the second number, is equal to 4 into 48, that divided by 12, right. 12 ones are 12 fours are, now 4 into 4, which is going to be 16. So the other number is 16. Option A is the right one.